I went to an all-girls college. So much fun. So I can relate to this. And I know you have given me an intro, beautiful intro, about all my achievements and my background, my father, my famous brother. Okay, now I know where I can get the reactions from. All I have to say is Mahesh Babu. Anyway, so it was wonderful talking about what all I have achieved. Thank you. But I did go through my own struggles, and being a woman, being a girl, was not really that easy in many in many ways, in many things. And I want to share my story with you all because as a woman, I really want to express and share this story. It might just inspire you, that's why. Like being from a film family and watching my father be an actor and how famous he was and the glamour around the whole stardom, I always wanted to act. But because I was a girl, I was not allowed to be an actor, because my father's fans didn't want me to act. I know it was quite a, traumatic experience, but I understood the whole cultural bit, and I kind of, I wouldn't say understand, but I came to terms with it. But somewhere deep down, I wanted to do it because it's what I want to do, and it's very important to express yourself. I collected all my pocket money and made a small film called Show, and I got 2 national awards for it. It was an experience, and at the same time, I didn't do the regular running around trees bit. I maintained my dad's image and still did what I wanted to do, what my heart wanted to do. And then, after that, I produced films like Pokri, Yemaya Chesave, all those beautiful blockbusters and love stories. But, somewhere down the line, it was still not what I really wanted to do. And there was a kind of a restlessness in me, and I really reflected. And there was something else that my heart wanted to do. And after a lot of self-introspection and self-reflection, I realized and I heard the whispers of my heart, and that is storytelling. And I wrote my own story and directed it, and it came straight from my heart, and the movie's name is Manasaku Nachindi. For the first time in my life, I feel like this is my purpose. Girls, I'm telling you something. I needn't have done this. I mean, I had all the luxuries. I could have just sat back with all the challenges and, because girls have to be in a certain way. But I really took that step forward. I believed in myself. And today, I mean, the movie that's come out straight from my heart, the fulfillment is, I cannot explain to you in words. You will know when it comes out onto the screen, because this is all about following your heart. And I truly believe that Manasaku Nachindi cheste emaina sadhichochu. And when I say it's all about following your heart, what I try to tell in this movie is, when you live life from your heart and follow your heart, the whole texture, the whole essence of life is different. And this girl, Nitya, is all about following her heart. And she inspires the hero, and how Sandeep, that is his character, is Suraj, how he gets motivated and who starts off living from the mind, but actually follows his heart. And so it's a very interesting movie, and this is something, it's a sensible commercial movie. And I want all of you to watch it. You will love it because this is from my heart. Na manasuku nachindi meeku definitely ga nachuddi naaku telusu. And I want to tell you all, 2018 is very exciting for all the women in the world. Times are changing, energies are changing. We are going to rock in all fields, in every single. I just watched both the girls, one girl singing and one girl dancing. Amazing, what talent, what confidence. I wish I was like that when I was 20. Amazing, this is because of the new energies. And girls, go out there, believe in yourselves and kick whatever. I don't want to say it, this is another college, but enjoy yourselves and follow your heart, because that's what life is all about. Thank you so much for having me here. I enjoy myself.
పక్కనే ఒక గంట సింబల్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దాన్ని నొక్కారనుకోండి మేము చేసే వీడియో అప్డేట్స్, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అన్నిటితో మీ డివైస్ లో వాలిపోతాయి.